So I really hope that mungkin that is if he continues. So AFF will be his time. He will have enough time to show that okay, I can really make a change. If not, he have to go.
Okay.
I think it's fair.
Setuju sih gue. Setuju. Udah nanggung sih menurut gue.
It's December, right? Like if you wanna
December what?
Desember
AFF.
Oh no, SEA Games. December.
SEA Games. Oh.
Oh sama ya, ada SEA Games U23 AFF senior ya.
So if you wanna ikut apa masyarakat mau, okay, you gagal, you out. You know how many coach kita bisa ganti?
Ya tapi we cannot also dengerin masyarakat juga kadang-kadang kan.
You can. Don't say you cannot. You have to, but ada waktunya.
Yeah.
Ini belum waktunya. So for me, I already tell you the panic button time. AFF, if we don't see any progress, then it means